Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing a trunk brace from RD. So we're going to review it and then we're going to go and put it in. If you happen to have the Rockford Fosgate sound system, there will be a separate video on that coming up. So I guess the first thing is we need to get this trunk open on the car. Probably. Or should we unbox it? I don't know. Let's just get the trunk open. I guess we should unbox it first. If you remember my other video where I said scissors is one of my favorite tools, this is one reason why. My first impression is it's packaged really well. And bubble pops. Pop! There we go. Has a good amount of weight to it. Not overly heavy. That's actually really nice. I like that little center there too. What I'm curious on is what that's actually made out of. Or is there some kind of coating on here? There might be some kind of coating. Or it might be stainless steel. I don't know. These welds are actually really nice. The angles on these match up on both sides, as far as I can tell. This is actually much higher quality than what I was expecting, to be honest. I just figured these were some drunk guys in the garage with a welder, but they did a really nice job. I was also expecting this to be like just cheap Walmart 97-cent can of spray paint, but no, this is actually really nice paint on here. I don't think it's powder coated. I think it's maybe spray gun. Well, let's go ahead and install it. Oh man, I gotta remove that. Okay, so the first step to getting the square on is we have to remove my existing subwoofers, and we're gonna get that going. Next we need to figure out where it's gonna bolt up. Am I still recording? Yes. I can feel the bolts through the carpet. I think these are the bolts, so I'm just gonna cut around where the bolts are. As you can see, I found the bolts and just cut around it. We're just gonna go and remove them. Alright, so now we're just lining it up, just twisting it by hand, and then we'll go and tighten them. Let's get this side done. And there we go, it's fully installed. Looks pretty good. Again, if you got a Rockford system, there's going to be some modification that needs to be done, and we'll have a video on that. So this trunk bar is pretty cheap. I think it looks kind of cool, so I'm really surprised on like the quality of it and how well it actually fit. I don't know how they do the rigs and stuff for the welders, but I figured it might be off a little bit and I might have to adjust something, but no, it's dead on perfect. So I am really impressed with this company. RD, I think is the name. There. So yeah, if you got any questions, let me know. Thank you for watching. Aloha. Peace out. Catch you on the next one.